Oh no, I'm stranded. I'm gonna have to stay overnight. I wish I had a way to warm up and cook food. How will I find wood in this barren wasteland? Well, it may not look like it, but there is wood out there. There's not a double yellow line. I'm really out in the wilderness. Okay, I'm not in an established campground with palm trees. Okay, hello and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. I am Rachel and I review products for the outdoors and for adventures, and that could be a whole host of things. I do have a vlog channel, Rachel in Real Life, and I went on a hike, a beautiful hike, and I got sick and stranded overnight. And one thing I thought of, what would be nice to have, is a way to stay warm, maybe boil water if I needed to. Yes, I have my Kelly kettle, but I'm not backpacking with that size at least. So I got a flat pack stove by Überleben. And it fits in my backpack. I am not an ultralight day hiker. I'm only a day hiker. I'm not a backpacker, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and test it out right now and see how well it works. All you need, like the Kelly kettle, are some twigs, branches, and so we will go and find some. You. Did you see me looking for you? Probably not, because I pointed you over there and I went over there, of course. But look, even in this barren desert wasteland, the driest state in the United States, I was able to find this much fuel and this. Not the REI bag, I already had that. This is my day pack. A Gregory Jade 28. Yes, it is big. I do not care. And inside of it, we have a whole lot of goodness. To include now, maybe, potentially, the Überleben Flatpack stove. This stove is stainless steel. It is 14.5 ounces, so not the lightest. And it is just under 6 by 6. You can use this bag to store the stove, obviously, but also to gather tinder. And these are the tops, the crossbars to put over the top so you can use for cooking. Comes in 5 pieces plus these, and it is food grade and very durable, 304 stainless steel. Let's put this together. It did not come with instructions, at least that I saw. Should be pretty easy. And it looks like there's only 3 tabs. So one of these sides does not have a slot like this. That's gotta mean something. I'll go ahead. It's probably so you can put this. I got kind of lucky. I got kind of lucky with this assembly. Did I put it in I think I put it in upside down. So you'll see one side is concave, one side is convex. Is that correct? Okay, maybe it didn't matter. It feels lightweight. And then we have this. Well, that's a little tricky. Once I get one tab in, the other one comes out. The wind is picking up, so that'll be great for fire. Okay, there we have it. Fairly easy to put together. I'm sure I will get the hang of it. And here we have these. They have little tabs or slots. So you could cook on here, boil water if you needed to. I am impressed at how well and quickly this lit up. There's a lot of holes for ventilation and air, plenty. It lit up. I'm surprised at how fast the color changed, but I think it is beautiful. There's a helicopter. If you can find, seriously, is there another helicopter? Listen, okay. Listen, real talk. I'm losing daylight, okay? There's helicopters, there's people coming. It's Friday night, I'm at Lake Mead. We gotta get through this, all right? Anyway, I love this. I think it's great. Let me know if you've ever used a flat pack stove. What do you think about them? Isn't that so beautiful? From now, it is gorgeous. Let me know if you'd like to see me cook anything using this stove. Maybe do a comparison with the Kelly kettle. I don't know. Totally different apples and oranges, I suppose. But I thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give me a like and consider subscribing. And join me for my next video. I will be reviewing a pie iron, making some chicken parm. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.